Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: battery, iOS version, and proximity. Once done, pair and wear the AirPods so you can reproduce the pause. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Bluetooth, right arrow, tap the information icon for your AirPods and locate automatic ear detection. Turn that toggle off to prevent sensor-triggered pauses because the sensors misread fit or sweat. Make sure audio plays after toggling. If pausing stops, you fix the common cause. If not, continue to deeper checks. Now tackle the middle steps that resolve subtle faults. You should carefully clean the proximity sensors and speaker meshes because dirt and oil cause false pauses. Once clean, reset the AirPods, place them in the case, hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, and then repair to your phone. Make sure to disable nearby Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi that can interfere. Finally, run an ear tip fit test and play continuous audio to confirm the issue is gone. Finish by validating playback in real conditions. You should test different apps and local files because app behavior can pause audio. Once done, inspect accessibility settings for audio routing or headphone safety that might interrupt sound. Make sure firmware is current and try the AirPods with a second device to isolate the phone. If pausing persists, unpair and repeat reset steps, then contact Apple support or visit a service provider. One key tip: if pausing continues, note.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.